Good Thursday night. Winter storm approaching the area. It's going to be a quick play-by-play. It's going to be a sloppy mess north and west of 95 with not too many impacts. This is my forecast from this morning. Even from the light pink zone down, some just light ice here and then mostly rain down. The biggest impact's going to be north and west in this purple and orange into blue zone. Big snowstorm up here, 6 to 12 inches. That's pretty much a lock right now. Ski areas are going to do really well. This purple zone's all freezing rain, maybe a little bit of initial snow. This yellow zone is, these two yellow zones it's basically a sleet storm. So a couple inches of sleet and snow in northern New Jersey, then 3 to 6 inches of sleet and snow up in Connecticut. And let's dive right in. So right now, here temperatures over the region, freezing lines down to about central New Jersey. Take a look at the radar. Here's our storm system out here. This is going to not race on through, but move on through very late tonight. So closer to midnight, you're going to start to see precipitation break out. And this model shows it nicely. And I looked at some of the observations. This model actually looks to be pretty good on track. So by the time we get to 1 o'clock in the morning, you can see sleet is moving into the area with potentially a little snow to break out in the front end. So models are mixed on if in areas like northern New Jersey, we see snow to start. I think we might see a quick burst of snow, but pretty much it's going to be sleet. By the time we get closer to daybreak, here comes the freezing rain and purple moving in. This is at about 7 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. Heavy snowstorm to the north and all that sleet line. Notice it just over southern New York into southern New England. And that's why I had that darker orange zone here. And the model's showing that nicely right now of that sleet zone. By the time we get to mid-morning, sleet continues. Freezing rain now really holds on those northwestern counties. So areas of central Jersey, close to New York City. You're just, like I said, it's a light period of, or a quick period of ice to rain. It's really northwest New Jersey, western New Jersey, northeast PA are the biggest icing concerns. I tried to show that on my map. But this pretty much moves out by the time we get to early tomorrow afternoon, except for up in New England, full snowstorm. So we got an interesting one ahead of us to close out the season potentially, and stay tuned for updates.